when adding something like a cotton ball to the straws, it's really super easy to get them in there. Seal off one end, stuff the cotton ball in, and then seal the other end, and you have, your cotton ball. With the Vaseline in cotton, it's a good fire starter. You would just open this, take off little bitty pieces, and rub it in your fingers, and then rub it on the cotton ball, stick it in there. That's a really, really good fire starter. I already have one of those on the side. I actually find also that works just as well with, it's just like the Vaseline, is baby oil. Baby oil is pretty nice to use as a fire starter too, and it's already a liquid, so you could just put like a drop or two onto a cotton ball, kind of nestle it around in there. Drop or two. It's actually, it's a little bit cleaner in a way too than it is to use. I use a chopstick to shove it down inside. I find that chopsticks work pretty nice. You want to make sure your piece is thin enough. Yeah. When the pressure is on and you're filming, things don't like to go 100%. Ya feel me, guys? Ya feel me? Stuff your cotton ball down inside there. It has enough space for a little bit more, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you to seal it. So this one, let's add just another drop of baby oil on there. The cotton ball will absorb it. Seal off that end. Let's clean it up a little bit. And boom, you have a miniature fire starter. And these things work really, really freaking nice. In fact, hold on. All you do is you take it, cut off that end, push it up to the top. Oh, don't drop it. Let it on fire, and there you go. This will stay lit for a little while too. And you can also just toss this right into a fire, a campsite or whatever, and you got it. Boom. There you go.